we carry period then you go dey pray make your girlfriend carry period.
I swear.
So if I lodge your there, you carry period come, we will still do and there. So what I go do besides just put am for the blood, put am for ears or dish.
You can't lodge a girl for hotel and that girl come. She can't tell you say she die her period. What you go do?
If I lodge your there, the girl tell me say she dey her period, I thought I go fire that girl. Because when I lodge your hotel, you know tell me say you do your period. Now when I lodge finish, you can't come tell me say if your period starts at that time, we go do another time. You know, so the highest sex with the sweet now when you knock girl with we carry period.
No.
Go test time now. Once the knock and so blood dey your prick, you go na better fun. If you not get we carry period then you go dey pray make your girlfriend carry period.
I swear.
So if I lodge your there, you carry period come, we will still do and there. So what I go do besides just put am for the blood, put am for ears or dish. Yeah, that's that kind of thing. So everywhere.